fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram couldn't refresh feed, then what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So go with the control center, and from here you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can just turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info. Under your app info, you can go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now go back and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions like notifications, call logs, camera, location, and everything. Make sure that you've allowed the permission. After that, go with your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, now here, if you have any updates under your Instagram, then you just need simply go with updates and update your application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Once you've done all of these, you just need simply press and hold on to that power button and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.